Hi everyone, today we are preparing stir-fried pig liver with chives. Brought this piece of pig liver from the supermarket. Let's cut the pig liver into thin slices about 5 mm each. There will have some blood water flowing out from the pig liver when we cut it. We'll need to wash away all this blood water. Wash the sliced liver with water until the water becomes clear. We need to wash it a few times. Just rinse it in the water. Wash until the water becomes clear like this will do. After that, we'll have to squeeze out the water in the pig liver. Let's start marinating. One tablespoon of soy sauce. Some white pepper powder. Sprinkle some salt. Add about 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Potato starch helps to soften the pig liver and let it have better texture. Last, add a bit of sesame oil. Sesame oil prevents the pig liver from sticking together when we stir fry it later. Let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. While waiting, let's wash the chives. Chives usually have dirt on it. It needs to be cleaned thoroughly. Cut the chives about 1 inch. If you like mushroom, you can add 1 into this dish. The dish tastes better with mushroom. I usually like to add shiitake mushroom for this. Other ingredients we need are ginger. We'll slice it. You can also add chili to it. Those who can't take spicy, you can do without it. We'll also add garlic. Alright, this is all the ingredients you need. Heat up the wok. Add some sesame oil and olive oil. After the oil is heated, add in ginger, chili and garlic. Once you smell the aroma of the garlic, add in chives and mushroom. Mix well. Cook for a while until both mushroom and chives is almost cooked. Now, time to add in the marinated liver. Well, it depends on whether you like it to be oily or you prefer some sauce. You can add water or oil. Depends on your preference. Pig liver cooking time is quite short. It can be done about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it's now cooked. We'll just plate it. Wow,